Welcome to RDVP Vehicle Registration. Start by entering the vehicle number in the registration field. Next, select the vehicle type. Here, we'll choose bike. Now select the fuel type. Enter the vehicle brand name. In this example, Honda. Now enter the vehicle model name. Select the vehicle registration year. You can also add the owner's blood group. Next, enter the registered owner's full name. Now move to mobile verification. Enter your active mobile number and tap on Send OTP. Once you receive the OTP, enter it here and verify your mobile number. After successful verification, continue with the owner details section. Select the owner's date of birth, then choose the gender. Now enter the engine number from the RC book. Next, enter the chassis number carefully. Add the approximate kilometers driven by the vehicle, then enter the number of owners. Select the insurance expiry date, and now enter the PUC expiry date. After completing all the required details, tap Continue. If you offer shared rides, enable the option and enter your travel details. You can also add parking rental information if parking space is available. To list your bike for rent, enable the rental option and enter the daily rent amount. You may also promote your professional profile by adding your occupation and portfolio link. If you're open to work opportunities, simply enable the Open to Work option. You can even list the vehicle for sale by entering the expected selling price. Once completed, tap Continue. Now you're in the Photos and Details section. Upload clear photos of the vehicle from the front, rear, left, and right sides. You can also upload an odometer reading image. Next, enter the emergency contact number. Then fill in the complete address details carefully. To provide family access, enter the family member's name, relation, and mobile number. After entering all details, tap Continue. Now proceed to the payment section. You can choose either online payment or cash payment. If paying by cash, first search and select the collecting agent. Then enter the agent PIN for verification. After successful verification, confirm the cash payment. Now let's continue with the online payment process. To begin, click on the Pay Online option available on the screen. Once selected, the secure online payment page will open automatically. Here, you can complete the payment using UPI, debit card, credit card. Now continue to the final step. Create a secure 4-digit edit PIN for future vehicle updates. Finally, tap Register Vehicle to complete your RDVP vehicle registration successfully. Thank you for choosing RDVP.